Imagine a world where not only can you find your dream destination to live, but also get paid to make it a reality. In this captivating video, we'll explore 10 enticing countries that are opening their doors and their wallets to welcome new residents. From picturesque Italian villages to the tranquil shores of Mauritius, these opportunities are bound to pique your interest. Stay tuned as we unveil these incredible places where life comes with both adventure and financial rewards. Italy. Certain areas like Prasicia Quarika are offering $30,000 to new residents who buy houses built before 1991. Canada, Saskatchewan. Recent college graduates from specific universities can receive $15,000 annually in tax returns for up to 10 years to combat brain drain. Spain, Ponga. Ponga offers $3,000 to new residents and an additional $3,200 for each baby born there, requiring a 5-year commitment. Chile. Entrepreneurs can receive $40,000 to relocate their businesses to Santiago through the Startup Chile program. Ireland. While not directly paying, Ireland offers tax incentives, attracting businesses like Apple, Google, and Facebook. Croatia, Legrad. Legrad sells homes for 16 cents and provides $4,000 for home refurbishments, with a 15-year commitment. Switzerland, Albanon. Albanon offers around $27,000 plus $11,000 for children to attract new residents. But you must be under 45 and commit to 10 years. Taiwan. Taiwan pays native English speakers to teach English, offering a monthly salary ranging from $2,000 to $3,000. Greece, Antikythera. The Greek Orthodox Church pays families to move to this remote island, providing a home, land, and $500 per month for the first 3 years. Mauritius. Mauritius offers $433 to startups to move to this island paradise, presenting their ideas to a committee for approval. These countries aim to address population decline, stimulate local economies, or attract specific skills through these incentives.